keep a sense of the pulse of the culture.
Dr. Rose, I appreciate it. Let me find this. If I may, just one more question. When hiring faculty, does Georgetown currently have a vetting process that includes screening for anti-Semitic content and a candidate's public record?
Not at this time, Congressman.
Thank you, gentlemen. Time has expired. Now recognize the gentlelady from North Carolina.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you to the witnesses for being here today. Let me start with something that shouldn't need to be said, but it must be said clearly. Anti-Semitism is real, it's rising, and it has no place on our campuses. We have a responsibility to make sure that every student, Jewish, Muslim, Black, Brown, or otherwise, feel safe and respected where they live and where they learn. And that means calling out hate when we see it. It also means upholding the civil rights protections that have long protected our students from discrimination. Now, I spent over 40 years as a professor, and what I know is this. Classrooms are where we ask questions, where we challenge each other, and yes, sometimes where we disagree. But I'm concerned about what I see happening here. Because instead of solving a problem, we're watching some trying to use anti-Semitism as a reason to go after higher education. I've heard it in this committee that DEI is to blame, that foreign scholars are a threat, that faculty aren't to be punished for their views. But I'll tell you, we don't need political scorecards. We need real solutions, and that means following the law. It means fully funding the Office of Civil Rights, not hollowing it out. And let's not forget, as we sit here today, holding this hearing, the Department of Education is withholding more than $6 billion in congressionally mandated funding from our K-12 schools. That's money for students, for teachers, after-school programs, and for communities already stretched thin. So my question, Chancellor Alliance, thank you for being here. Your institution has a long history with student protests. Some of it can be troubling, and some of it a reflection of the moment that we're in. But I want to ask